This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes, creators of the world's best repair manuals. Fix your car or truck the right way with our accurate and reliable information at your side. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete online manual at Haynes.com.
Warning! Always replace the strut assemblies in pairs. Never replace just one strut assembly on one side of the vehicle. This could cause dangerous handling peculiarities. Loosen the wheel lug nuts. Then raise the front of the vehicle and support it securely on jack stands. Remove the wheels. Before removing the strut assemblies, mark them so they can be reinstalled on their correct sides. Remove the bracket and its fastener retaining the brake hose. Then pry out the plastic fastener retaining the wheel speed sensor wire. While holding the stabilizer bar link stud stationary, remove the nut securing the link to the bottom of the strut, then set aside the link. Loosen and remove the nuts from the strut to steering knuckle bolts while preventing the bolts from turning with a wrench. The bolts are serrated on the inside and must not be rotated. Tap out the bolts using a soft face brass hammer or brass punch. Then separate the steering knuckle from the strut. Remove the nuts securing the upper part of the strut to the body. Maneuver the strut assembly as necessary to allow removal of the strut. Install the new strut assembly, feeding the top studs in first, aligning them according to the marks made prior to removal. Screw the nuts onto the studs. Tighten the nuts on the studs to a torque of 41 foot-pounds. Pull up the steering knuckle and align the holes with the ones on the bottom of the strut. Then insert the studs in the same direction they were in prior to removal. Install and tighten the nuts onto the bolts, cinching the heads of the bolts in position while tightening. Make sure to prevent the bolts from rotating by holding them with a wrench. Holding the bolts in place, tighten the nuts to 103 foot-pounds. Install the stabilizer bar link upper stud through the strut assembly. While holding the stud on the link still, tighten the nut securely, then tighten it to a torque of 35 foot-pounds. Install the fastener securing the brake hose bracket. Secure the plastic retainer for the wheel speed sensor wire on the steering knuckle. Tighten the fastener securely. Install the wheels and lug nuts. Safely lower the vehicle. Then tighten the lug nuts to 100 foot-pounds.